guys, today I am gonna show you how to resize any image as per your requirements. I am going to change the size of this image. I just needed a max size of 200 kilobits and a resolution of about 720 and 1024. So, the first thing I am going to do is to crop the image using Paint. It's better to make a copy of your image as a backup. After cropping the image, we can also do some width adjustments using Paint itself. Coming to the main part, just open a web browser and type online image resizer. I just used a random size so the image was little bit stretched. You can do this method to resize any images. It is very useful in situations of uploading photos, signatures, etc. for online applications. If you have any doubts and suggestions, please feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.